So today I'm going to show you how to make this nice elasticated easy stone bracelet. We're going to be using 8mm onyx beads, a tiger's eye, 2 beautiful barley cone beads. We're going to need our scissors and some stretch magic. Start by cutting a generous length of elastic. And you're going to just simply thread the onyx beads onto the elastic. You'll use as many beads as you require for the length. I'm making this one for a man, so I'm going to make it slightly longer. Once all the onyx beads have been threaded, we're then going to go through the cone, and then we're going to add the tiger's eye. This will be our centerpiece, and on this side I'm going to add the cone to here. We're now going to create a knot, and this will sit inside the cone and therefore be hidden when completing the bracelet. The best way to knot the elastic is to take both ends together and you pull the end through like you would the end of a balloon, so both at the same time. Pull this nice and tight and make sure the knot's secure. I'm just going to repeat that a second time so we know that this one's definitely not going to come undone. Just pull that through, secure into place, and then you're going to take the excess elastic above the knot off. This will then slip nicely inside the cone and finish your bracelet off beautifully.